Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox crash and unexpected error. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox crash and unexpected error, you should just go to settings. Here on this page you click on apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this page you will search about Roblox app. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. After that we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you will wait. So then for a moment then you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix your problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.